What is the best way for a Substack owner to sell media space?
Slide in the DMs, slide in the email, slide in the inbox of the people who are already sponsoring other newsletters. You're looking for people who are already being innovative with their media buying. You're not looking for the people who are just buying billboards and buying TV spots. You're not trying to convince them to buy ad space in a niche Substack. That's not going to work. It might, but it's going to take a lot of work and a lot of effort. What you want to do is you want to find people who have already started to sponsor Substack newsletters. You want to find people who are sponsoring and investing in advertising channels that are a little bit more niche and a little bit more on the edge of kind of the traditional approach. Maybe listen to podcasts and see who's running podcast advertising, because those people are already ahead of the curve. So what you want to do is you want to identify these media opportunities, and you're going to reach out to the people who work at these companies who would probably be in charge of media buying. Now, if you are thinking to yourself, I don't have time to do this, that's okay. You might be busy. So what you can do is you can go on a site like Upwork and you can ask those people to listen to a handful of your favorite podcasts or podcasts that are similar to you, and to create a spreadsheet. Create a spreadsheet that's going to outline the names of the various companies that are sponsoring different Substacks. You are going to create a list of all of the names of the companies that are sponsoring podcasts. And you're also going to get them to do LinkedIn research so they can go and find out what these people, their first names are, their last names, their emails, all of that information. You're going to get all of it placed into a spreadsheet. And you're going to get all of this info so you can start to follow up and reach out to these people. And you're probably even going to have a column in that spreadsheet that says what the Substack was that they sponsored, what the podcast was that they sponsored. So when you reach out, you can say, hey, I heard you sponsor, or I saw you sponsored this podcast. I saw you sponsor this Substack. Would you be interested in sponsoring mine as well? These are some of the key numbers surrounding our effort. I think it would drive value for your audience, and I think it would be a great fit for you. What do you think? Is this something you would be interested in? I'd love to chat. Just a heads up, you could probably get an Upworker to write that email to and press send. So if you want to get sponsorship on your Substack, that's the blueprint. That's how you do it. Good luck.